like your house just can't get clean enough? Breakfast messes, dog fur, and hair everywhere on the floor. Now, I've tried everything to clean. The fact is that some robot vacuums just don't clean very well, and you often need different tools to clean with. And lots of times, you have to clean up tangled hair on the insides yourself. Then, I found Hire TAB Tabot. Hey Alexa, start cleaning.
Okay, starting to clean.
Wait, this isn't just an ordinary robot vacuum cleaner.
TAB Tabot has patented hair anti-winding cutting technology, which cuts the hair as it vacuums so that it doesn't get tangled up anywhere in the cleaner. The anti-winding technology and the powerful suction means that you'll never have to clean out tangled up hair from your vacuum cleaner ever again.
That's not all it cleans.
TAB Tabot has a super unique built-in detachable cleaner, so you can clean hard to reach places by hand. You can set the cleaning time through the TAB Tabot app. It uses advanced LDS and SLAM navigation radar to ensure that every inch of your home gets thoroughly cleaned. You can easily set up virtual walls so that it doesn't go near places that you want it to avoid. Other cleaners leak water everywhere, but TAB Tabot has drip control technology, which means no unexpected puddles. It also has an adjustable mop, which provides close contact with the floor and then cleans thoroughly. TAB Tabot really has all the bases covered. It reaches under beds and sofas, climbs small obstacles, and does not fall. Best of all, it has automatic cleaning and charging. You might not know this, but Hire TAB is an online company that is part of the Hire Electronics Group, the same company that has brought you awesome electronics for millions of homes over the years. I use TAB Tabot over the entire house and vacuum and mop with ease. That's why I love having it in our home.